Rough, dry hands can be a nuisance, but with the right care, you can restore their softness and smoothness. Using simple ingredients like Vaseline and tomato, you can create an effective remedy to keep your hands soft and wrinkle-free. Here's how you can do it. Lots of hand aging is taking place, and the question on making your hands look younger becomes a question that is more so asked today than even before. So in this video, I am going to go over how to prevent hands from getting worse than they already are and what you can do right now from your kitchen. Before we continue to the video, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Vaseline, this classic skincare product, is renowned for its moisturizing and protective properties. It creates a barrier on the skin, locking in moisture and helping to heal and prevent dry, cracked skin. Tomatoes are rich in vitamins A, C, and E, which are essential for skin health. They also contain antioxidants that help reduce the appearance of wrinkles and promote a youthful complexion. The natural acids in tomatoes can help exfoliate and brighten the skin. How to make and use the remedy. Ingredients: 1 ripe tomato, 1 tablespoon of Vaseline. Instructions: prepare the tomato. Wash the tomato thoroughly and cut it in half. Squeeze the juice and pulp from 1/2 into a small bowl. You can also use a blender to puree the tomato for a smoother consistency. Mix with Vaseline. Add the tablespoon of Vaseline to the tomato juice and pulp. Mix well until you have a smooth, even consistency application. Clean your hands with mild soap and warm water, then pat them dry. Apply the tomato and Vaseline mixture generously to your hands, making sure to cover all areas, including the fingers and cuticles. Massage the mixture into your skin in gentle, circular motions. This helps stimulate circulation and ensures the ingredients are well absorbed. Leave it on. For best results, leave the mixture on your hands for at least 20–30 minutes. For an intensive treatment, you can wear cotton gloves and leave it on overnight. Rinse and moisturize. Rinse your hands with lukewarm water and gently pat them dry. Follow up with your regular hand cream or lotion to seal in the moisture. Benefits and tips. Regular use for lasting results. Use this remedy 2 to 3 times a week. Regular application will help maintain soft, wrinkle-free hands. Patch test. Always perform a patch test before applying any new remedy to ensure you don't have an allergic reaction to the ingredients.